Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make mini mesh balls, and if you haven't seen mesh balls before, you will see it at the end of the video. So all you're going to need is some soap, and I added some water to it and shook it up really well. You can use any soap you want. And you are also going to need a balloon. You can use any balloon, but I'm using a mini water balloon because it's a mini stress ball. And you are going to need the mesh cover for what you use for wrapping a bun. And that is all we're going to need. So the first thing you're going to need to do is put your soap into the balloon, and I put it in a little dispenser to make it easier. Alright, so here we have it, and right now this is the basic stress ball, but if we want to turn it into a mesh ball, we have to put the mesh over it. So I'm just going to tie a knot, and there we go. So now we are going to put the cap for the bun, and you can use any other thing that's like mesh. So I just have this, and as you can see, there are lots of holes from it from trying this, but I'm just going to find a spot without any holes, and there we go. All we have to do is just tie this up. And it's all tight and nice, and you can trim that spot up. I just forgot to trim it, and this time it's really working really well, and you can see all the mesh is coming out. But if it's not coming out, you might need to stretch it and squish it a little bit. But for me, this came on the first try, and I really like it. So I hope you try this.